Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Morphe unboxing haul for you guys. I am a massive shopaholic, so this is really bad. But I don't know, I love seeing what people get when they buy online, so yeah. And if you guys are wondering, if you've just seen my latest video, yes, I am wearing the same outfit, the same makeup, and yes, my dog is in the exact same position. I just filmed my crybaby haul. So if you guys want to watch that, go check it out. It's really awesome. I highly recommend the brand. Once again, not sponsored. So today we will be doing a Morphe unboxing haul, and recently I just bought a lot of stuff from them, but are you surprised? No. So if you guys want to know a fun fact about me, this is gonna sound so stupid, but I love like really tiny things. Like, I don't know why, but I just do. Like anything small, I'm just like, oh my god, I need it, I want it. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a bit of that down pack just because everything that I bought is pretty much miniature size. I'm first of all going to start off with the Morphe 35B palette. I've been wanting this palette for so long. This is the neon colors that Morphe did, and I know there's a lot of like controversy around this palette, just with a lot of people saying that the pigmentation's not very good, it's not very blendable, blah blah blah, and I just think the colors are amazing. Like, oh my god. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this, like, if you can't tell. Next I got the Set and Define brush kit, I believe it's called. I have been wanting this brush kit for so long. These brushes are so gorgeous. Here we go with the tiny stuff. I got this set here, which I think is called the Rose set piece or something like that. It just comes in this little travel case, which is like a solid cylinder thing. It's got these two pop open things here, and you just open it and there's the mini brushes inside. So that's really awesome. It's got a hard travel case, which is really good for on the go when traveling, because I plan to be traveling a lot this summer. So and then I got one more set of mini brushes because I love mini things. So it's just like a little envelope looking thing. It just slips open like that and pops open like this. And then because it is Christmas time, they always come out with liquid eyeshadows, and this is my favorite thing ever. And this is the Glitter Fever metallic eyeshadow. So basically it starts off with this one here in the shade Days, which is super pretty, and I think this is a really good dupe for the Stila Kitten metallic eyeshadow, I think it's called, just because I think it's super similar and the consistencies to these are really awesome too. So that's Days, just there. This one here is called Flicker. I totally thought that said something else for a second. So that's it there, that's Flicker. And then the last one that comes with the set is called Popping, and it's more of a silvery glittery eyeshadow, which is super pretty too. Those are the three shades there. I really hope this is in focus right now. And then next up, as I mentioned before, Morphe recently released mini eyeshadow palettes, where it is literally just like 3 shades within like a mini palette, which I think is so awesome. So this one's the 3A in Deep Smoky, and the colors, I mean the shades, are so beautiful. But it just comes with a glittery black, a glittery brown, and then just like a matte, like deep brown in the middle, which is really awesome, which I think would be great for like nights out or anything like that. And then I also got the 3B Pure Nude, which is so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this palette, and all 3 of them are matte. So you've just got like a really light brown, a really light pink, and then like a deep red, which I think this is just like a real neutral palette. Oopsie. I think it's just a really neutral palette. I love it. I've been traveling with this so much recently, and it's amazing. I really recommend this palette here. I also got the mini bronzer. I usually use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I know a lot of people use that one, but I just decided to get the mini debutante. I don't know how to pronounce that correctly. It just looks like this, and then it just like lifts up, and you've got the shade just there, which is really nice. I got 2 lip liners from Morphe, and one of them is called Mina, which is more of a scarlet shade, and I bought this one because it was the closest shade to the regular Morphe liquid lipstick color. So I thought just having like a kind of like a scarlety red would be really good to have. So yeah, that's Mina there, which is really nice. I really love this color. And all of the color pencils by Morphe are super velvety. Like they're so good. And then I got another one called Backseat Love. And this one is super, like, it's kind of like a pinky nude, which I think would be awesome. Just if, you know, for like the more natural days, but you're going out, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's Backseat Love there. And then I decided to get a lip gloss by Morphe. I'm actually wearing this right now. It's the new Morphe lip gloss in the shade Groupie. So that's Groupie just at the bottom there, which is super nice. It's more of like a pinky natural nude, I would say. Obviously with the shine, so that's really awesome. And then I went and got the liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin because I needed a really nice like nude, and I had heard a lot of really good reviews about this one here. That's Virgin there, just next to the lip liners. I got the one called Morphe, which I have been wanting for so long because I can't find a really nice bluey, like a blue undertone red, until I found this one. This is beautiful for the holiday season as well. So that's Morphe just there. Another one called Bloodshot, which is a very deep red. So that's Bloodshot. I've got this one called Suspect, which is super nice as well. I heard that it was supposed to be like a rosy pink, but kind of like a deep nude in a way. So that's Suspect there on the end. And then last but not least, I got the shade Peanut. So this is more of a, I don't even know how it's like a brownie nude in a way. There's Peanut on the bottom. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube sort of stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.